Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers cheap, Notre Dame, local and long-distance movers near me. Long-distance movement is defined as a distance of at least 50 miles. Federal municipal agencies involved in the relocation process have an excellent working relationship with us. In addition, we have insurance policies in place to protect us from any potential moving-related dangers. Our careful movers and drivers will make sure that your belongings arrive at their destination in the same condition that they left. In order to avoid overcharging our customers, we offer reasonably priced services. In the moving industry, we're the best. Long distance moves are typically more expensive than local relocations, and they're also more complexly strained than local relocations. However, this is not to demean the seriousness of local relocations. They're also complex in their own right, and our local rates range between $30 and $40 per hour for local moving services. Your investment will be well protected by our team of hardworking and knowledgeable movers. You can rest assured that your products will safely reach you and on schedule thanks to our extensive knowledge of crowded areas and cities. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Notre Dame moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.